Okay, so let's walk through aging algorithm for CPU burst time of the next run. So it based on history. We have some actual runtime for processes on the CPU. You see in this sequence, we have alpha, which is a factor that for aging, how much we are factoring it in the formula. And we have initial prediction. We started with this, and then we got those results. And now the question is, what is the prediction for the next burst time for the CPU? So the formula goes like this. The next for n plus 1. The next prediction is this alpha, this factor, times the actual time that was just before n, plus 1 minus this factor alpha, this aging factor, times the prediction, the previous prediction. This is the current prediction for the next burst, for the next process going into the CPU, and this is the previous one. So we have an example here for inputs. So the first one took CPU burst of 36, the second one 4, then 4, then 12, and this question again is, what is the next prediction for the next burst time for the CPU? So let's start applying this formula one by one for those ones. So we start with new prediction for 36, we have one. For 4, we have one. For 4 again, we are doing this, and for 12 again, we are doing this. And as you can see for the calculation, you see that each time we just apply this. For example, for the new one, we had alpha 0.25 times the actual time for the last time, which is 36, plus 1 minus alpha, which is 0.75, times the prediction for the last time, which we initially predicted 36. Then we got a prediction for the next one. We went to the next one, alpha, actual time, 1 minus alpha, prediction from the previous one. We got a new prediction. Then alpha times the actual time, 1 minus alpha, times the last prediction. Got a new prediction. Then alpha times actual time, it's 12, plus 1 minus alpha times the last prediction, and here we go, we get the prediction to the next burst time to the CPU, which is 19.5. So final prediction for the next runtime on the CPU is 19.5. So this is the aging algorithm. You can even look at it again and how it happens. But anyway, this is the aging algorithm for CPU burst time prediction, as you can see right over here. And that's it for now. If there are any mistakes or correction, please tell me. And I think we are finished with this aging algorithm for predicting CPU burst time.